Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shabeen, and today I'm going to explain Ethereum in the easiest way possible. Make sure you watch this video until the very end, because by the end of this video, you'll understand Ethereum better than 90% of beginners. If you're serious about learning crypto and making smarter investment decisions, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and let's get started. What is Ethereum? Have you ever wondered what Ethereum is and why millions of people believe it could shape the future of the internet? If you're new to crypto, don't worry, because in this video, Shabeen will explain Ethereum in the simplest way possible. Make sure you watch until the end because you'll understand what Ethereum is, how it works, why it is different from Bitcoin, and why so many investors are excited about its future. And if you enjoy easy crypto content like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest crypto updates. Now let's begin. Ethereum is a blockchain platform that allows people to create and use decentralized applications, also called dApps. Unlike traditional apps that are controlled by one company, decentralized apps run on a network of thousands of computers around the world. This means no single company or government has complete control over them. Ethereum was created in 2015 by a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin, who wanted to build something much bigger than just digital money. While Bitcoin was mainly designed to send and receive money, Ethereum was built to become a global computer where developers could build all kinds of applications without needing permission from anyone. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold, while Ethereum is like the operating system that powers thousands of crypto projects. The currency used on Ethereum is called Ether, or ETH. Just like you need fuel to drive a car, every action on Ethereum requires a small amount of ETH to pay transaction fees, often called gas fees. These fees help keep the network secure and reward the computers that process transactions. One of Ethereum's biggest innovations is something called smart contracts. A smart contract is simply a digital agreement that automatically executes when certain conditions are met. Imagine selling your house without needing a lawyer or bank. Once the buyer sends the money, ownership automatically transfers. No middleman is needed. That's the power of smart contracts. They remove delays, reduce costs, and make transactions more transparent. Ethereum is also the foundation of decentralized finance, commonly known as DeFi. DeFi allows people to borrow, lend, trade, and earn interest using crypto without relying on traditional banks. Instead of waiting days for a bank transfer, transactions can happen much faster on the blockchain. Ethereum is also home to NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are unique digital assets that prove ownership of digital art, music, collectibles, gaming items, and much more. Although NFTs became famous because of digital artwork, their future could include property ownership, event tickets, certificates, and even identity verification. Another major use of Ethereum is token creation. Thousands of cryptocurrencies have been built on Ethereum using its technology. Many popular crypto projects exist because Ethereum provides developers with an easy way to create their own digital assets without building a completely new blockchain from scratch. This has made Ethereum one of the largest ecosystems in the crypto world. Now let's compare Ethereum with Bitcoin because many beginners get confused. Bitcoin focuses mainly on being digital money and a store of value. Ethereum, on the other hand, focuses on powering applications and smart contracts. Bitcoin is often compared to gold because people hold it as an investment, while Ethereum is compared to oil because it fuels an entire ecosystem of blockchain applications. Both are valuable, but they serve different purposes. In 2022, Ethereum completed one of the biggest upgrades in crypto history by moving from proof of work to proof of stake. This change dramatically reduced energy consumption while making the network more environmentally friendly. Proof of stake allows people who own ETH to help secure the network by staking their coins instead of using powerful mining computers. In return, they may earn rewards for helping keep the blockchain secure. Many experts believe this upgrade was an important milestone for Ethereum's long-term future. However, Ethereum is not perfect. One challenge is gas fees. During periods of heavy network activity, transaction costs can become expensive. Another challenge is scalability, which means handling millions of users efficiently. To solve these problems, developers continue building Layer 2 solutions and network upgrades that aim to make Ethereum faster and cheaper for everyone. Despite these challenges, Ethereum remains one of the most widely used blockchain platforms in the world. Thousands of developers continue building new applications every day, and many major companies are exploring Ethereum technology for business solutions. So why do investors pay so much attention to Ethereum? Many believe Ethereum could become the foundation of the future digital economy. If blockchain technology continues growing, Ethereum may play a major role in finance, gaming, real estate, healthcare, social media, artificial intelligence, and many other industries. Of course, no investment is guaranteed, and cryptocurrency prices can be very volatile. That's why it's always important to do your own research before investing. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose, and always understand the risks involved. For beginners, the best approach is to learn first and invest later. Knowledge is your biggest advantage in the crypto market. Ethereum is much more than just another cryptocurrency. If you're still watching, you're already learning something that many beginners never understand. Don't forget to like the video because it really helps the channel grow. Also subscribe so you never miss my latest crypto updates. It is a platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications, create smart contracts, launch tokens, power NFTs, and transform the way people interact with technology and finance. Whether Ethereum becomes the backbone of the future internet remains to be seen, but it has already changed the crypto industry forever. If this video helped you understand Ethereum, thank you so much for watching this complete Ethereum beginner guide. If this video helped you understand Ethereum, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on all notifications, and comment below. I learned Ethereum with Shabeen. I read every comment. Share this video with your friends who want to learn crypto. This is Shabeen, and I'll see you in the next video.